Hello, hi, my beautiful people. It's your lady signing in again, Lois Nichols. Hi, everyone. How are we all doing? Your lady back again today with another interesting topic. Okay, if you're my regular, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're stumbling across this video and you like this video, remember to like and subscribe so you can be part of our huge YouTube family. So, welcome everyone. Today, I'm going to be talking and I'm also going to be asking you some questions. Have you ever thought about your guts? I'm sure you're probably saying, your what? Yeah, I heard you. Your gut. G-U-T. Gut. Gut. Have you ever thought about your gut? Okay? So today, I will be talking about our gut. How to take care of your gut. How to look after your gut. If you want them intestines working well for you, okay? You want to avoid inflammation of the colon, digestive issues, irritable bowel syndrome, and so many other things associated or connected with the gut, okay? Come, join, listen up, okay? Now, do you know that 95% of the problem in the human body starts from the gut? In other words, if you do not have a clean gut, okay, that can be a foundation or a roller coaster of so many other issues in your body. The day I heard it, I almost freaked out. From a renowned, well-renowned doctor, not just a doctor, a consultant, not just a consultant. In fact, when you say he's well read, you know, you can't even call him a doctor anymore. This is somebody who is grounded, you know. When I heard it, I was like, really? And we treat our guts like nothing. We don't even think about it, you know. We don't bother about our guts, you know. We just eat junk. Anything goes. Peanuts, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, oils, just name it. We just bombard our guts with everything, you know. Oh my days. Okay, don't get me wrong. It's not bad to eat all them food. It's good to have a wide range of food because you get all the nutrients from different foods, isn't it? So it's good to eat, but you eat and then you also look after your gut, okay? So that when the time is right, your gut also will look after you, okay? It's a symbiotic relationship, if you know what I mean, okay? Now, I normally advise people to take probiotics because they and I don't know about any other probiotics, okay? I'm going to share the one I have tried, okay? That has worked for me because I used to be highly constipated. And if you're a regular on this channel, I've mentioned it in some of my videos, okay? How this product really helped me, you know, because I used to be highly constipated, okay? Until someone again introduced the product to me and I said, okay, let me try it, you know. I used to have a lot of stomach issues. For days I would not go, you know. If you've watched my videos, you know, I'll go to the toilet, I sit down there, nothing coming out, and I'm like, oh my God, you know. And you know, oh God, the rest is history, story, you know. And then I decided to try this product, okay, which is the Atomy Probiotics 10 Plus, okay. It is a pack. I think it's got 90 sachets in here. Is it 60? Let me just make sure. But I think it's 2 months supply, so it's 60. It's 2 months supply, so it's 60. Yeah, I got it. It's 60 sachets in here. So it's 2 months supply, okay? I don't look, I just take it. So it's actually 2 months supply, and they come like this in sachets. Very easy on the go sachets. You can pick it up, put it in your bag, and you take it on the way to work, when you're at work, when you get back, whatever. But it's one a day. Okay, all right. This is an amazing product. It has helped me, okay, to solve a lot of digestive issues. Like I said, it is an amazing product. I would recommend this. Okay, you all know that one sachet of this, actually, it's made up of 12 different lactobacilli, which we call the good bacteria. Okay, between the stomach and the intestine, there's a whole lot of harmful bacteria there, and I'm not surprised, because that is where, you know, the waste, all the excreta, the feces, you know, that's where it gathers. So I'll be shocked if there are no bacteria there. Okay, so there's usually a lot of bacteria, okay, harmful bacteria. Okay, so you want, realistically, to have more of the good bacteria, okay, because the good bacteria are the helpful bacteria. Okay, so you want to be having more of that in your system, okay, to help you. That's where this comes in. Okay, one contains 12 different lactobacilli. Okay, and the lactobacilli, by the time you take one sachet, you are actually putting in like 3 billion lactobacilli. Trust me, 3 billion lactobacilli, which is the good bacteria. You're actually putting it into your system, okay, to clean your gut, clean out your gut. Okay, all right. So it's for overall gut health. Okay, not only for people who have gut issues, because I've had people ask me, okay, can I take it when, if since I don't have any problem with my gut, I don't have any problem with my colon, blah blah blah, you know, and they say, do I really need it? The answer is yes. Okay, because I take it just to clean out my gut, to make sure every day I'm putting in good bacteria that is helping me to clean out the junk. Okay, so I would say yes. Okay, I would recommend it for anybody who wants to toe that path like me. Again, but people who are highly constipated, people who have diverticulitis, inflammation of the colon, and everything, you know, going on there with the gut, I would recommend you try this amazing probiotics 10 plus. Okay, Atomy Probiotics 10 plus. Okay, I've tried it. Again, it's a supplement, it's not medication, it's not a drug, it's a supplement, a plant-based organic supplement. Okay, now, like I said, a pack like this will last for 2 months, so you do get value for money on this one. Trust me, you do get value for money. And how much is this? This is £27.50. Okay, it's £27.50. If you want it, you want to try it the way I tried it, you want to try it, give me a call. I'm just a phone call away. Text me, leave me a message, leave me a comment, connect with me on WhatsApp. All my details, like I always say, is in the description. Okay, and to know more about this, okay, there's so much I can give on a video, but I'll put all the description, everything you need to know about this in the description. So click and read, okay, just to gain more knowledge. Okay, and then please feel free to contact me. It's just £27.50 manufacturer's price. Okay, I will show you how you can get this delivered straight to your door from the manufacturer at the manufacturer's price of £27.50. Okay, that is not bad for a 2 month supply of healthy good bacteria to protect your gut. Okay, now let's look at some of the other, you know me, I have to go further in to give you some more details about this amazing products. Okay, the other day somebody was asking me, what are these biotics? What do you mean when you say what are biotics? What are they? You know, okay, they are live bacteria. All right, that's the only way I can explain it. They are live bacteria. Okay, they are live bacteria that are in our intestines. Okay, so when you are hearing biotics, they are live bacteria that are in our intestines, and they are supposed to protect us. Okay, you know, so you have the harmful one, you have the good one. Okay, if the more you have of the good one, the cleaner and better and healthier your gut is, isn't it? Okay, so what do they do really? The more you, like I said, the more you increase the good bacteria, the better for your gut. Okay, so they improve gut health. Okay, biotics increase helpful bacteria and they improve gut health. That's all you need to know. Okay, and why is it important? Okay, because they are harmful bacteria. Like I said, they are harmful bacteria. Okay, so the more of the good ones you have, the better and healthier your gut is. Okay, so I hope that answered that question, because I did get somebody asked me that the other day when I was talking to her about probiotics 10 plus, and she was like, what's all this biotics thing, blah blah blah. Okay, so till I see you in my next video, this is one a day. Okay, I did have, oh sorry, I normally would take one when I'm doing my video, but I've had my one a day today, so I don't want to go over. Okay, otherwise what you do is you just rip it and you take it. Some people prefer to put it in water, mix it with water in a glass of water and take it, but I just want to take it. It's a powder, it's in a like powder form. Okay, so when I just rip it and take it like that, and I'm good to go. All right, so apart from all the 12 different lactobacilli, you also have sub ingredients added to this. Okay, like strawberry extract powder. You also have raspberry concentrate powder. You have banana concentrate powder. You have apple juice powder. You have ginger extract. Okay, sour plum concentrate extract. You've got tangerine and so many others that have also been added to this amazing product. Okay, so you can see that we're giving you literally the best. Okay, so to get this, you know what to do. Send me a DM, contact me. I'm just a phone call away. Okay, like I always say in all my videos recently, my recent videos, I have a disclaimer on people who listen to my videos and you get the product from a third-party site. I can't guarantee what you get from a third-party site. I can only guarantee what you get from me, because I am a pioneer distributor of Atomy products in the United Kingdom. Okay, there are over 300 of us here in the United Kingdom, so please try not to buy this from a third-party site. Atomy itself has a disclaimer on their products being sold on third-party sites. Okay, this is because they have to protect their brand. But as it is in the world, you know, it's what it is. People will always copy good products, good supplements, and all that, you know. So please be very careful. Okay, send me a DM. I will lead you to where you can get it. The manufacturers, okay, they will deliver straight to your door. End of story. Okay, and you know you are getting a genuine product. Okay, so this is Atomy Probiotics 10 plus, £27.50 manufacturer's price. So send me a DM. I'll see you in my next video. Go get your Probiotics 10 plus. This is mine and I'm guarding it jealously. Go get yours.